All right, guys. This is a new week to make some money if we can. Okay. So I picked my top four pairs and I would like to analyze for you very quickly. And I am very considering taking some trades probably today or in the next coming days, Tuesday or Wednesday. So let's get started. So we have the GBPAUD, and this looks very interesting because we have a support and it turned now into resistance because this red candle broke through the support level. And also we do have daily bearish and 4-hour bearish, and the weekly is bullish. And when we move on to the daily time zone, and it looks very, very attractive to sell. But I would like to see another pullback towards to the support level and to the round psychological level, which is 0.05 thousand. And if we look at the 4-hour time frame, I feel like it's going back up in the London session, and probably during the London or New York session we can sell. Okay, and we also have the EMA perfectly aligned to the resistance level right now, okay, because support turned into resistance, and 2 hours is hitting there, but I prefer waiting for the 4 hours, and obviously also the daily time frame. The daily time frame, yes. So that is one of my top pairs. So let's go back. So then we have the NZDUSD. So NZDUSD, we have the weekly bearish, daily bullish, and 4-hour bullish. And this is the least high risk that I would like to trade as well. So we do have a break-ish from the resistance level on the daily and 4-hour support level. Then once we move down to the daily time frame, we came down, we break through the resistance, and now we just land onto the support level. So the only thing that I actually wanted to wait is for a doji. So we have to wait for 1 day, and let's see whether we can create a doji right on the support level. And actually that looks also perfectly with the EMA, so everything is aligned together. And the 4 hours, what I could think of technically trading right now, but I just want to have some extra confirmation that is really going up, going to the upside. And then for the 2-hour time frame, it's very similar. So actually the lower time frames, 1 hour, 2 hours, probably 30 minutes, and 15 minutes as well, it has hit the support level. Even on the psychological level, it did reject. But I prefer waiting for another candle. So I'm not 100% sure. I'm 70-80% sure that it goes to the upside. Then we have GBPNZD. So GBPNZD is another great trade for this coming week. So it's very similar to where was it? GBPAUD. Yeah, it's very similar to GBPAUD. Break, retest, and then sell, right? And over here, where's the GBPNZD? We have it as well. We didn't really break yet because it literally reached on the support level, but now we are forming a bearish engulfing candle. So daily, we gotta wait for it wants to go down, but I still want to wait for another couple of days to make sure that I have my extra confirmation that it really wants to go down. The 2 hours, the 2-hour time frame, it is looking good too. Once it pushed back up to the market structure, to the previous market structure, or sort of like a resistance level right here. Okay, so this is kind of a support and turned into resistance level in this area. So if this comes back up, then I would like to sell. Okay, and it looks pretty attractive to sell as well, but patience is key. So then let's move on to AUDJPY. So AUDJPY, we do have the weekly bullish, daily bullish, and the 4-hour bearish. Okay, so we can manage to turn the 4-hour bearish time frame into a bullish time frame. So we do have 2 dojis, 2 rejection, and that's sometimes a tricky decision to make. Sometimes, as you can see in the past, it likes to have a wick fill. Okay, it's like this part is a wick fill, and then we have over here a wick fill, then over there a wick fill, and sometimes it's the opposite. All right, sometimes it's the opposite, just like that. Okay, do you see any wick fill? No, not at all. But over here is a wick fill. So sometimes don't rely 100% on the candles itself. So you need to have an overall analysis based on the market structure, based on the psychological level, based on the support and resistance level, and so on. So right now, on the daily, it wants to go up, which is good. So I hope it's going to push a little bit further up, and then it's going to push further up, come back down, and then buy. Okay. So on the 4-hour, it is looking good-ish. So it wants to push higher. I hope it goes like that. It's going to push higher. So to make sure that it really wants to go further up, get a retest to the 1-hour support level, and then buy, and then go to the upside. So the next one and the last one, GBPUSD. So GBPUSD is another trade for next week. Maybe this week, probably maybe on Thursday or Friday. So right here, we do have a head and shoulder. Okay, we have a shoulder, head, another right shoulder. So we need to break through the neckline first. Okay, and then we can technically sell. So we have to break through the support level. It comes back up, turned into the resistance level. So it's going to stay there maybe, and then it's going to push to the downside. So this is my plan for this and next week, and especially for GBPUSD. I really like the head and shoulder. I really like the support level. Then we also have the psychological level, 1.34 thousand. And I can tell you guys in advance, we can make money this week. We also can make money next week, but we need to follow the strategy, okay? And patience is key. Can you guys just trade right away? Yes, you can. Are you going to take a high risk? Yes. Are you going to gamble? Yes. So keep an eye on this, and I'm going to update you in the next coming days. And if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. And as always, you execute, you gain, you succeed. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.